Welcome to this channel. For those who are new, then welcome. We are glad to have you. My name is Theodora, and me and Gray, my partner, we're YouTubing our way around the world. So please subscribe, give us a like, because it really helps us grow. Like, our goal is to make this our job. So join the journey and let's get into today's videos. Today's video is all about Sri Lanka's beaches. If you're thinking about visiting Sri Lanka, then you must watch this video, because today we're on a mission to document all the best beaches of the south. So come with us and let's explore. So guys, we're at our first stop. We're here at the Lighthouse Jetwing Club, and if you are looking at my face like, what is the dirt? From the motorbike, I get tash and panda eyes, so excuse that. But anyway, we thought we'd stop here because it's the most north as we're gonna go. So we're in Galle. We're now gonna work our way down, basically from Galle to Mirissa. So I might even insert a little map just so you know what all the spots are. So I think let's go and explore the rest of the beaches.
So guys, before we hit the beaches, we are here at the Galle post office, and Theodora wants to send some stuff home. If you saw what she wanted to send home, you'd be like, what is she doing? But she wants to do it, so we're going to do it. So guys, this is what she wants to send home. First of all, a pair of jeans.
Really good jeans, babe.
A pair of shoes.
How cute are the shoes? Can't let those go.
Another pair of shoes.
They're really comfortable, really good shoes.
And this is the best of all. She wants to send this home. It's going to cost us money to send this home.
Yeah, the Hong Kong Disney ears, guys, for my 30th. I mean, you can't get that, babe. That's sentimental.
The only thing that I agree with is our old camera, which we can sell back at home. So that's worth sending home. But for the rest, unbelievable, unbelievable.
Is there any girls watching that are with me on this? Leave a comment. Need your support, girls. Need your support.
Okay guys, we've got everything in the box. Got the ears in there. Got the jeans.
How are we sending it?
Sea mail, the slowest and cheapest way.
So, do you forgive me now?
Depends on what it costs.
Guys, how dark are the clouds behind us? We're just waiting for it to calm down. But anyway, we're not on a beach, but we're on the Viewpoint, and it's worth taking a look at it and having a shot because it looks so insane. So this Viewpoint is looking over. On one side we've got Galle, we've got the whole Dutch Quarter with the lighthouse. Now the other side, we've got Jungle Beach, we've got where the blowhole is, the kind of peninsula on the map that looks that way. So, worth checking this out. I think what we should do is go behind us and check out the blowhole, the Jungle Beach, and all the rest of it. See if it's worth going up there.
Guys, I'm feeling bad, mainly because my number plate is badass.
That is one badass bike, babe.
I think it's definitely worth getting a motorbike on the south coast, because you can just go and do your own thing, you know. It's quite inexpensive and you can just explore, whereas a tuk-tuk, they want to take you to where they want to take you, which is cool, but we're all about putting the helmets on and flying the nest.
Flying the nest. Guys, update on the motorbike face.
It's so funny. I don't know if you can see it, but she's got black.
God, so no point in the makeup. Anyway, you saw me from the beginning that it was fresh. So, we wanted to come out and check a blowhole.
A what?
A blowhole.
I love one of them.
Anyway, look where we come. We stumbled across Unawatuna beach, and I think because we're a little bit out of season, it's not that busy on here. I can imagine like it's got loads of little bars everywhere and chairs. This is such a nice calm beach. probably one of my favourites so far. Wouldn't you say, babe?
Yeah, because most of the beaches are purely for surfing. Like, we haven't seen many beaches where you can just like chill out, relax, go swimming, snorkeling. But there's a guy there, he's snorkeling. Don't know if you can see him. And this is like really calm. Like, there's a few small waves, but this is definitely, I wish I'd found this sooner because I would have come here a fair few more times because it's just peaceful. Anyway, guys, we've got a blowhole to go and find, so let's go.
A blowhole? I wouldn't mind one of those.
Guys, there's a fight off. There's a squirrel and a lizard on the rock. Oh, the squirrel's just gone. Can you see this lizard?
Quick, quick.
Oh, he's gone.
So guys, the blowhole is somewhere behind us, but the local guys fishing just told us that the sea is too calm to get the full effect. But what we're gonna do is get the drone up to see if we can see more from above. Guess what? We found the beach swing! Like, on Instagram we've seen so many pictures of the beach swing in Dalawela beach. Ta-da! This is it! So along the south coast there's actually a couple of swings. One at Dalawela and one at Dickwela. But that's a lot further south, so we won't be doing that one. So this is it! You definitely want to take the picture from this angle because otherwise you got the new big hotel that's being built over there in the background. So this is the frame.
Open your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful. It's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
How cool is this beach? We found like a kind of deserted beach, and we found another palm tree up the road. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a beautiful palm tree coming right out of the rocks. So we need to go back there to see if there's a rope swing. If not, I'm going to climb it and get an epic shot. So according to Google, this is Koggala Beach. Koggala. And it goes on for like miles and miles and miles. Today is like the cloudiest day we've had since we've been here, and we've decided to do the beach video, which is always the way. As always, boom, drone time.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high. Biggest ride of the century. Wanna drop into the ocean, wanna feel like we're the only ones around, but I'm lost, you got me clueless. 'Cause you can reach the sky while I'm stuck here on the ground, and I'm afraid of how it feels when you're not around. And I don't want you, but I can't deny. There's something about you, something about you. It took some time to realize.
Guys, two things just happened. One, we droned and I found out where that palm tree is, and I know exactly how to get there. Secondly, a dog just pissed all over our bag. We were droning, Door was with the camera. Next thing we look, is there cocked his leg up. Pissed all over about.
Where is it? There's like...
Just a little bit.
on.
Tiny little bit.
There, the drops. Oh, it's
Cheeky
gross.
bugger.
It is gross.
It's disgusting. Anyway, palm tree time. Guys, we found the palm tree. The only problem is I put barbed wire along it so no one can climb up and take a picture. Obviously everyone was doing that. I've got to tell you, this part of the beach is the first time we've been here and it's absolutely stunning. Clear sand, beautiful waves, palm trees. I mean, take a look at this. Compared to all the other beaches we've been to so far, all the way along the coast, this is like idyllic. There's no one on here. It's really perfect. And if you want to come down and take like a picture with the tree, the palm tree, then it's right next door to KK Beach Hotel and Restaurant. Yes. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's day 2. We're still cruising the coast of Sri Lanka.
Finding the best beaches for you guys.
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
Found an awesome one.
We found another one. Look
Yep.
how beautiful this beach is. It's quite small,
Yeah.
and it's we'll put a point on the map now where it is,
Yeah.
and you'll see that there's a beautiful rock island behind us. I don't know if you can see over here some beautiful little waves, and there's a couple of surfers, local surfers. Yeah, I mean you can see the water behind me. It's actually beautiful, isn't it?
It's like a bounty island, and guess what? It's like so secluded. No one is here. That is like, what do you call it? An onbewoond eiland.
Uninhabited island.
Yeah, like it's so cool. So I think we should get the drone over there, babe.
Definitely, but it's a bit bright, so we'll see how the drone footage comes out. And I don't have any drone ND filters, which I need to buy the next time we're in like a big major town. So let's get the drone up.
Whenever I'm up to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home.
What we got?
Look at this. So from this tree, I was wondering what these things are, and this is what it is. It literally, it's got 4 leaves, and then this. Look at this ombre. This is all natural. This is even real. Look at it. He's got 4 leaves, and then this comes out. Mother Nature, she's full of surprises, babe. In fact, if you love Mother Nature, give us a like.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need
Babe, what are you doing? Are we in Hawaii?
I don't know if this is typical Sri Lankan, guys, but I do know we're at the next beach. So we'll just put it in the corner because I can't remember what to pronunciate it, but we call it the Marriott, babe, because the Marriott is right there, and that house over there, it's like on a rock. It's awesome. We don't know if you can stay there or you can rent it. We don't know the story, but it is the start point of the surf area. So this whole stretch of beach is kind of like full of surf lessons, surfboards, people surfing. So that's cool.
But I've got to admit, the best thing about this beach is That little building over there called the Marriott. Firstly, because they got really good strong Wi-Fi, and we sat in there for like a good amount of hours right now, free of charge, just doing our thing. Also, the buffet. Oh!
If you crave Western food, or there's also like Asian food, but all really good Sri Lankan food. Everything your heart desires. Get your booty.
It's a buffet, guys. Everyone loves a buffet. It's within a budget. It's inexpensive. You know what? I'm going. Guys, we are at the last beach, Mirissa Beach. We actually came here yesterday, so this is like the third day of this video. But as you can see from this footage, the sound wasn't working. We don't know what happened. We got home last night, we were checking it out. We were like, oh my God, the last bit, there's no sound. But this is not the first time it's happened to us, so we're over it. Plus we get to come back here. We've hidden around the corner from the main attraction because it's really windy, right?
Yeah, really windy.
It's probably quite windy here now. Anyway, we're gonna like creep round in a minute, do a little bit of slow-mo for you, show you the beautiful view. This is Coconut Beach.
Coconut Tree Hill.
Okay, Coconut Tree Hill. Mirissa Beach is just down there, and we're gonna try and drone. Sunset's just about to happen. And guys, that's the end of the vlog.
What a shame.
What a shame. It's been...
But guess what?
What?
Subscribe and see us again.
Yeah, come back to us, guys. Anyway, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. We're YouTubing around the world, trying to make it our dream job. So join the party, and we're gonna sign off.
I literally was gonna sign off.
Yeah.
We're gonna sign off.
And we're gonna sign off.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.